Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about conditional formatting. I'm going to explain what it is, show you how to use it, and talk about how to modify conditional formatting after it's been applied. So I have opened up the Learning Files workbook, and I am on the first semester grades worksheet. So the first thing I'd like to do is talk about what conditional formatting is. So conditional formatting is formatting that is applied to a range of cells only if certain conditions are met. So for example, using this grade sheet, I could apply conditional formatting to my final grades that will turn any final grade that is less than 70 red. Or I could apply conditional formatting that will turn any grade that is above 90 green. Okay, I choose all those parameters. So the reason that you might want to do conditional formatting is to make your data easier to read. Okay, if I were to open up this grade sheet and I wanted to know which students were struggling, I could examine each grade and try and figure out who's got less than 70. Or if I had conditional formatting, it would just jump out at me. It would save me that time. Okay, so here's how you do it. You highlight the range of data that you want to apply conditional formatting to. So I'm going to select Q3 through Q17. Conditional formatting is located on your Home tab in the Styles group. We have a conditional formatting drop arrow. In this class, we're going to work with the highlight cell rules options. Now, I said that I wanted to make a rule that would turn any final grade cells that are less than, so I'll choose less than, 70. So I'll put 70 in the format cells that are less than window. And I want to turn those cells red. So red's already selected by default, but I'll just click the arrow anyway and click OK. And there's my results. I have 3 students who have a grade less than 70. Okay, conditional formatting rules update along with your data. So let's say that this kid, student 9, didn't really get a 75 on exam 1. He got a 0. Okay, when I update that grade, my conditional formatting rule applies because now his final grade fell below 70. You can apply more than one conditional formatting rule to the same range of data. So let's say in addition to my less than 70 turn it red rule, let's say in addition to that, I want a greater than 90, make it green. Okay, same steps. I'm going to highlight the range of data, Q3 through Q17. I'm going to go get my conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. This time I said greater than 90, and I'm going to make it green and click OK. And there it is. So far, 1 kid is doing awesome, and I've got 4 that are in trouble. All right, now let's say that I have conditional formatting applied to a range of data, and I want to change my parameters or even delete the rule. Here's how you do it. You highlight the range of data that holds the conditional formatting rule that you want to modify or delete. You go to conditional formatting, and then you go to manage rules. This manage rules window will open up, and it's pretty easy to understand. I have 2 rules applied to that range of data. Okay, one says greater than 90, make it green. The other one says less than 70, make it red. Let's say I want to change the less than 70 and make it less than 65. So I select the one I want to work with. I click Edit Rule. And then I just make the changes that I want to make. So in this case, I said I was going to make my number 65 instead of 70. So I type it in the appropriate place, click OK, click Apply, and OK. And I can see now only final grades that are less than 65 will turn red. All right, let's say I want to delete my greater than 90 rule. Select the range of data that holds it, conditional formatting, manage rules. This is the one I want to work with, and I'm going to delete it. Delete rule, apply, OK. And you can see immediately my data updates. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see the value in conditional formatting, and it's super easy to use too. So I hope you like conditional formatting.